There are 6 main windows. The search window has 4 tabs: a collections tab, a library search tab, a Bible search tab, and a tab for searching the Old Testament Apocrypha in Greek and English. The translation window displays my most commonly used Bible translations. All the tabs are linked to set A. The original languages window displays my preferred Hebrew and Greek Bible source texts. All the tabs in this window are linked to set A. The lexical tools window contains my preferred Hebrew and Greek lexicons. All the tabs in this window are linked to set B. The Apocrypha source text window contains 3 editions of the Old Testament apocryphal texts: the New Revised Standard Version Interlinear using Ralph's edition of the Septuagint at left, the Lexham Interlinear Septuagint using Sweat's edition of the Septuagint in the middle, and the Göttingen Septuagint at right. The Göttingen Septuagint is not an interlinear, but does have morphological tagging. The English text window contains 2 English translations of the apocryphal texts: Charles' translation in the first tab, and the Lexham English Septuagint in the second tab. This window also contains 2 commentaries on the apocryphal texts: Charles' commentary in the third tab, and the UBS Handbook Series commentary in the fourth tab. Because the UBS Handbook volumes are in a series, every time I turn to a Greek or English passage in the Apocrypha, this tab will automatically locate the relevant UBS commentary volume and open it at the passage I'm looking at. The UBS series only has commentary on 3 of the apocryphal books, Judith, Tobit, and Wisdom of Solomon, but this is still very helpful and saves a lot of time. All the tabs in these windows are linked to set C, so they will all turn to the passage I'm currently looking at. At far right, I used the text comparison tab, showing how other translations have rendered the passage without me needing to open each translation individually. I have this tab set to search in a collection I made myself, which I named Apocrypha and Pseudepigrapha. I also used the Explorer tab to find biblical cross-references to the passage and references to the passage in my commentaries. And I used the Cited By tab to locate resources in my collections which comment on the passage. Now I'll demonstrate my workflow. Because I'm using a morphologically tagged text as my primary search text, I can search in Greek or English. I'll search in English for the word tyrant. Note that since I'm actually searching the Septuagint text, the search displays results for all the biblical books as well as the apocryphal books. Clicking on one of the highlighted words opens my Greek source texts and English translations to that passage. I want to know which Greek word has been translated tyrant here, so I look at the Greek text and I find it's the word tyrannos. Now I want to see how many times the Greek word tyrannos appears in the Greek texts, which will help me see if it has been translated the same way each time. To do this, I right-click on the word in any of my Greek Septuagint texts and use the morph search. You will see that the search results appear in the search window I already have open, which shows all the instances of the Greek word, with the Lexham English Septuagint shown in parallel at right. The small red target symbol at the top right of this window shows I have chosen to send all original language word searches in these resources to this search tab. This stops Logos opening another tab every time it searches, which takes up a lot of room. It also means that every search displays its results using the report settings I prepared earlier. If I want more information on this word, I can right-click on it in any of my Greek source texts and use my customized word search. Results from this search will appear in a tab in my original languages window. Since I already have my preferred lexicons open in their own window and all linked to set B, clicking on the link in the word search window will result in all my preferred Greek lexicons displaying information on this word. If I want to read my scholarly commentaries on the Apocrypha, I use my Collections tab. I hope you found this tutorial useful.